Hello everyone, myself Adarsh CS from Trinity College of Engineering. Today we discussed about the topic GPS or Global Positioning System. What is GPS? Space-based satellite navigation system provides location and time information. Developed in 1973 by US Department of Defense, consists of 24 satellites, fully operational from 1994. The various global navigation satellite systems are Navstar by USA, GLONASS by Russia, Galileo by European Union, IRNSS by India. GPS was originally invented by three scientists, namely Ivan A. Gettin, Roger Easton, Bradford Parkinson. But the original inventor was Roger Lee Easton, who was an American physicist. The principal inventor of the global positioning system was Ivan Getting and Bradford Parkinson. Roger Easton was a key figure in the development of GPS. The GPS project was started by the US Department of Defense in 1973. The first prototype spacecraft launched in 1978 and the full constellation of 24 satellites operational in 1993. Anyone know why was GPS originally invented? GPS has its origin in the Sputnik era, when scientists were able to track the satellites with the shifts in its radio signal known as Doppler effect. The United States Navy conducted satellite navigation experiments in mid-1960s and tracked submarines carrying nuclear missiles. Next, we discussed about overview of GPS or space segment, control segment, user segment. These are the three segments of GPS. First of all, we discussed about space segment. Space segment is the number of satellites in space. It comprises of 29 satellites circling the Earth every 12 hours at 12,000 miles in altitude. The function of the space segment is utilized to route or navigation signal and to store and retransmit the navigation message sent by the control segment. These transmissions are controlled by highly stable atomic clocks on satellites. The GPS space segment is formed by a constellation with enough satellites to ensure that the user will have at least 4 simultaneous satellites in view from any point at their surface at a time. In short, we tell us that satellites orbiting the Earth are called space segment. They are circular in shape, 55 degree inclined to the Earth equator, 26,600 km from the center of mass of the Earth. Minimum 4 satellites in each orbit plane and well spaced. Next, we discussed about control segment. It comprises of a master control station and 5 monitor stations outfitted with atomic clocks that are spread around the globe. The 5 monitor stations monitor the GPS satellite signals and then send qualified information to master control station, where abnormalities are reversed and sent back to the GPS satellite through ground antennas. The control segment also referred to as monitor station. In short, we tell that 2 master control stations, 60 monitoring stations, 12 ground antennas are required for control segment. And the another part of control segment was monitoring station. The steps of monitoring station is first step is check the position of speed, altitude and health of tracked SVS. Next is collect GPS signal and navigation data, atmosphere data, etc. Then the third step is pass the collected information to the MCS. And third segment and last segment is user segment. User segment comprises of GPS receiver which receives signal from the GPS satellites and determines how far it is away from each satellite. Mainly, this segment is used for US military missile guidance and civilian application. Most of the civilian use this from survey to transportation to natural resources and from the agriculture resources and mapping too. Anybody who receives and uses the GPS signal comes under this segment. This is the photo showing 3 segments: space segment, user segment and control segment. Principle of GPS. The principle of GPS was Trilateration mathematical principle. The position is determined from the distance measurements to satellites. The four satellites are used to determine the position of receiver on the Earth. Trilateration. This is the figure of trilateration. At least three satellites are required to find the location of a particular person or body. Advantage of GPS. Important tool for military, civil and commercial usage. Vehicle tracking system. GPS based navigation system can provide us with 10 by 10 directions and very high speed. It is the major advantage. It has very high speed. It has also disadvantages. GPS satellite signals are too weak when compared to phone signals, so it doesn't work as well indoors, underwater, under trees, etc. It is a disadvantage. The highest accuracy requires line of sight from the receiver to the satellite. This is why GPS doesn't work very well in an urban environment. What are the applications of GPS? Navigation purposes, geodesy, surveying, locating positions. In science, scientists used to fit colliders with animals and record their movements and information. In military purpose, GPS in air traffic. There is a figure below showing the air traffic system used by GPS. And thank you for patiently listening to my class.